World domination.
Fast na smó.
I actually heard they're going to sub out there, Dan and Martin, and sub us in to Skerryvore.
Bhí barach górain lé achcha.
Things are going to be even bigger and better for them over the next 20 years.
Barach clárin lé achcha.
The lads still look young and fresh enough.
As bhí slúg na smó a lemtain if igen dúil.
Hopefully another 20 years of good times.
Channing gun cumitore adol son áitihin agus gigs fís na bevóin na seo get a seo gírach álainn.
Biat General Gleva mis mújin.
Hamsinchen hydro sold out sin an adrit gaisen hamsinchen.
The guys are very driven and they're very fiery and always want to push for success, so I think the sky's the limit and they're only going to get better and better as they've shown for the last 20 years, so they deserve it all.
All I can do is wish them the very best in the next 20 years to come.
Is that okay?
Yes.